Hello everyone, Master Ken Glimerick here again. We are working on the 6th of our forms. This is Form Guen Bon. This is the requirement to promote from blue stripe to blue belt. This is the 3rd of our videos. The first video explored footwork. The second taught us broad movements. This is our refinement video. So now we're working on power, precision, fluidity. I'm going to point out a couple places in the form where common mistakes occur or where most students could benefit from some additional instruction. This is intended to bring your form up to about a 7 or an 8 out of that 10-point scale. Chumbi position. Fingers are not touching, they're making a triangle. We're planting a tree, we're patting dirt down around a tree. All right? First move, as I step back with my right foot, I am going to slightly raise my left hand, slightly drop my right hand. I will close them. That allows me to get some momentum and snap into my first move. So it's here. All right? On my second move, I'm already in that chambered position, so now I have enough momentum or enough space to build momentum to get that same snap here. Number 3, I'm going to step forward with my left foot, back stance, chamber high. This is a lower section Kikido Maki, lower section Kikido block. My hands will be just like they are in a double knife hand, but then when I snap down, my non-blocking hand is vertical and slightly off of my body. So let me give you a close-up here. This is the backhand position for Kikido Maki. If I was doing a double knife hand block, that hand would be open and palm up. So Kikido Maki, double knife hand. All right, again, that's number 3. On number 4, my right foot steps up to meet my left foot, so a closed position. Hands chamber to the right hip. Both hands are palms towards each other. Right hand is on the bottom, palm up, left hand on the top, palm down. Step out into my back stance, modified box block. And again, the difference here is in hand position. Here is my modified box block, as seen in this form. Here is a regular box block, as seen in, for example, Kaki Yichung. All right, so this is number 4 in our back stance. For number 5, I'm going to reach out, grab, pull in, inward knife hand strike. I want to talk about this for a moment because we have 2 box block strike combos. Kaki Yichung, which is regular box block, uppercut, and Guen Bon, which is modified box block, inward knife hand strike. Make certain that you don't blur those striking techniques together. When people are learning Guen Bon, it's very common to see them do this in Kaki Yichung instead of this, or to see them do this in Guen Bon instead of this. Make sure your inward knife hands are coming inward and make sure that your uppercuts are coming up. So we're on number 4 here, reach, 5, inward knife hand. On number 6, again, if I just put my hand out, it's going to be more of a hammer fist. I need to pivot my hips, and as I do that, my right hand comes forward slightly, and then I drive straight out. So it is a straight punch rather than a swinging punch. 4, 5, 6, we are on 7. I'm going to step forward, midsection. Repeat all of those to the opposite side. 8, modified box block. 9, reach out, pull in, inward knife hand. 10, twist and punch. 11, center punch with your left. Number 12, back stance, regular double knife hand block. The kicking sequence gives you a lot of leeway for adjusting your distance on this form. So depending on where you're ending up at the end of the form, you can actually really increase your forward distance by doing deeper step behinds and landing further forward, or you can crunch it up. So this form has some space for adjustment, and it's mainly in this kicking sequence. So let's see, this is going to be 13, front snap kick, 14, roundhouse, 15, step behind side, 16, hammer fist. I want to show what I was talking about in terms of the distancing of those kicks. If I am in tight quarters, I can make this really short, right? I'm on number 12 right now. 13, 14, 15, 16, and I moved hardly any distance at all. If I find that I need to expand my distance, that I'm not ending up where I started, then I can actually travel way, way further. On my front snap kick, I land forward. On my roundhouse kick, I land forward. On my step behind side thrust kick, I land forward and probably slightly off screen. All right, so you can adjust here. 16, hammer fist, aya. 17, I'm going to step back, open middle section block. The chamber that we do here, just like if we were going to do a regular middle section block, blocking hand on the inside, but we're going to have an open hand. That is 17. 18, our guard comes up, lead leg front snap, and land backwards. 19, chamber with the left hand on the inside, open middle section block, tight reaction hand. 20, lead leg front snap, land backwards in your straddle stance, chamber, double knife hand block. On 21, my step behind side thrust kick, I'm going to start by closing my hands. So 21, my hands closed, guard comes up, step behind, kick, rechamber, set down. 22, step out at a 45-degree angle. For our school, right hand, lead hand on the inside of the X, here. When I grab, my back hand reaches all the way around and grabs my front hand, all right? And then for 24, it is pulling them in towards my knee. This is a knee strike to the body. Here, not here. Okay? We're not pulling our hands to our knee, we're pulling our hands to our sides. So that's 24. As I set down, I'm setting down along that same line that my front stance was on. Drop elbow to the back of the neck, aya, 25. 26, right foot comes in, left foot steps forward. This time, since it's left foot forward, left hand on the inside of the block, wedging block, knife hand. All right, 27, I am going to reach with my back hand, my right hand, catch my lead hand behind their head, pull them in for a body knee strike. 27. On 28, I set down in that straddle stance, drop a left elbow onto the back of the neck. Aya! Left foot returns. Paro. Chariot. Kumye.